Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They want to change the black to any other color. They actually said blue. So when I got it, it was grouped together. And you can see it's got several fields and no outline. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And then I'm going to just take some of the black and move it out of the way. You can see that there's nothing there but that black. We can actually take a box, and this bugs me. I don't see why anybody would want to have a fill on a block, but we'll make it yellow. He's actually got a fill and an outline. We'll go to group or outline or order, back a page, and we can see it's white. It's white and black only. And you can very easily change that when you draw, but maybe that's what you want. I don't know. I'm not doubting you. So anyway, we're going to ungroup it. And by doing that, we've got just a black selected. So I'm going to go to edit and find and replace. And since I have one of them selected, I can go select from, find all, and then I can turn them all blue. So now you have a blue image or any other color you really want. You know, you might even be able to do that without find and replace. You might be able to do this. So you can't do that because there is actually some white there, or some other color, because you could change them individually. So that's why find and replace would be such a important deal. So let's do that one more time. With it ungroup, so you just have one item. From selection, find all, and let's make it red this time. Very easy. Find and replace is great. Hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.